Alright, here we go. Now we're recording. So as you can see here, a nice clean driveway. My wonderful neighbor, Cornell Cross. Over here, all the snow that was shoveled over yesterday.
It was this high.
That was, well, see, for reference, Cornell's about 6'2", and the snowdrift that was shoveled is about 5.5 feet high.
Yep. There was a 4-footer right here.
Yep.
Shut off her heat.
Yeah, that shut off our neighbor Beverly's heat. And here's more snow that got piled up from the driveway on this side. That's about 5.5 feet right there. So,
not done with a snowblower.
Yeah, not done with a snowblower. Done by hand all day yesterday, 6 hours.
Very, very sore.
We are very sore. He's a little bit more sore than I am, but sore nonetheless.
Aaron will have to do his own area.
So
that's the price of living here.
So, anyways, yep, lots of snow, lots of piled up snow. Yeah, piled up here too. There's about 4 feet of snow right there. And that's from my lovely driveway, which I was starting to work on. We were starting to work on this morning, but we're not doing that anymore right now. We got this going. Got the around the car cleaned out, and all that snow right there. And all that snow over there is pushed over. We got this lovely little bit that we're starting to cut out, going over that way. That's about 2.5 feet right there, and kind of thinner over here, but a lot more ice. Lots more ice. That was a pain to get out right here. And we got a snowdrift that goes all the way down the driveway, and kind of shadow right now, but all the way down this way. And I'll stop right here for the moment. Guess we'll pick it up in the evening. And can't really tell this way, but the driveway actually gets deeper. It drops down about another 2 feet. So right now you're seeing a kind of slight curvature. Yeah, that's all snow. So roughly about 3 feet of snow going all the way down my driveway, all the way out to the road. And eventually we'll get to this. Cornell and I will. So, anyways, yep, blizzard of 2011. Trying to clean out the driveways.